splendid example of this monumental and wonderful book by Samuel Drake, History and Antiquities of Boston, in this beautiful period half leather binding with marble paper covered boards like so, this nice grained morocco, beautiful marbled end papers, the joints and the hinges remain tight and sound, top edge is gilt. What's interesting about this example here is it begins with this dated letter tipped in from 1869 from Samuel Drake himself. On here, he is right there, Samuel Drake, he was on the council. Then we have this long, beautiful, oblong folding prospect view of the city and harbor area of Boston. Yes, like so. Yeah. Okay. 1856. There's the title page. And very well preserved example. Plan here. Here's a list of all the images that are found within. The second plate that we'll see right here is this different variant view, panoramic view. Pretty sure this looks like it'd be from the top. Yeah, I would say yeah, from the Bunker Hill Monument, right? Yep. So there's that. I believe that first one was as well. And then we've got deckled edges on the text block with some beautiful steel engravings within it. The highest quality steel engraving like this, just almost proof impressions, really. Nice, richly inked, nice dark contrasts of tonality. And yes, those are throughout. And what we have here is, these can be a little bit, you have to be very careful when you unfold these plates. This is why plates often wind up with tears, is people are careless when they unfold them. So that's a good rule of thumb to be very careful always and go very slowly on these. And here is a fine, this is looks like it's a wood engraving, I would say. Yeah, well done. Okay, early prospect view like so. On we go like this. Yeah. Nice book. Nice, substantial book, actually. So, and the deckled edges often will hide illustrations because of the fact that they're uneven. So when you flip through it, you're not really getting all the pages. You're just getting every 3 or 4 or 5. There's another nice steel engraving. They all have the tissue guards like so. Nice clean example internally as well. There's the man himself, Cotton Mather. Yes, Increased Mather, Cotton Mather's William Burnett. And here is, yes, John Cotton. Here we have T. Prince. So now we come to the end. There's this extensive appendix here, as well as an extensive index. There is this very nice Bowen, Abel Bowen, I believe, engraving of an early city plan of Boston in 1722. And there we are, the index. And so this book is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.